Myanmar earthquake crisis, urgent help needed. On March 28, a devastating earthquake struck Myanmar, causing widespread destruction and loss of life. Over 2,000 people have tragically died, and the death toll is expected to rise. Countless homes and buildings have been destroyed, leaving thousands without shelter, food, or medical care. Myanmar, a country already facing economic hardship, is now in desperate need of international aid. Communities are struggling to recover, and resources are critically low. We urgently call upon the global community, governments, humanitarian organizations, and individuals, to extend a helping hand. Every moment counts. Your support can provide emergency relief, medical assistance, food supplies, and shelter to those affected. Together, we can make a difference in the lives of those who have lost everything. Please stand with Myanmar. Donate, share, and help rebuild lives.
A powerful earthquake has devastated Myanmar, leaving thousands in urgent need of assistance. The hardest-hit areas include Mandalay, Sagaing, and the Inner Lake region, where emergency aid is desperately required. Rescue operations have been slow, with civilians being the primary responders. Meanwhile, the military regime is prioritizing its own interests over the well-being of the people. Although international aid is being sent, it has not yet reached the victims directly. In the coming weeks, Myanmar will face severe shortages of food, clean water, and shelter. Damaged roads have made transportation difficult, further delaying relief efforts. The military has also cut off internet access and disrupted communications, making it harder for people to seek help. The situation in Sagaing is particularly dire, with urgent medical and humanitarian aid needed. Myanmar's road to recovery will be long and difficult. The lack of effective governance and widespread poverty have worsened the crisis. The international community must act now, not by supporting the military regime but by directly assisting the people of Myanmar. We urge governments, humanitarian organizations, and individuals worldwide to step in and provide immediate aid. The people of Myanmar are suffering. Please help.
Ngalen belau jan le ji lai bong. Na rong tai man ka ye. Ma ja. Da a paw ji de ya awe thi de ko pian sin wa da. Sa tha hlou tawn ka chauk da. Sa tha hlou tawn ka ji de ya a paw shan tat la. Shan tat la pi do in the ko ji de win twa. Aku ta kha ngalen hlou pi do in the ya ji de ya o ma ji. Ko awe thi de ko pian sin wa da. Chauk sia ai no.